Me now. Hold him up. Ricky, you afraid of him, dog? So right about now, vlog world, we are about to figure Ricky and I building right now. You know what I mean? You have Chabas over here.
Hi guys!
And we about to go fishing. We have some pole and everything already. We are about to go.
Me and dog.
One beyond.
No.
Why you don't want to walk with nothing in the hand?
No more carry one back. Carry one back on the back.
We are about to go fishing right now. We can't make you see we little secret.
Oh, this is a natural area over here, so it's protected. This is a Raccoon City.
Raccoon City, you mean wildlife preserve? Oh, yeah, for real. Protected area. Yeah, we're there. And we are walking, go to the cliff. Hole over here, so be a hole.
Oh, that's it.
Pato. The man said Pato. I Jamaican name for them, you know. Pato. So right, Pato have land of foreign people. Ricky have to beat them. What we are use catch them? Shrimps.
Oh, my sprout. No, just sprout. You know sprout? So you fry sprout?
Swimmers eat swimmers.
Yeah?
They can use fish
We
catch
use
fish.
sprout and we are use shrimp.
Fish no eat fish. The man might use fish catch fish. A cannibal.
You don't catch fish?
No, swimmers. Swimmers. So we there we are walk about for growing the Chabas they run a back like hog seed.
What a bed.
Oh yeah, change him. I think I jump on him you know. Yo, I'll be a wildlife in that no.
Watch out.
The man just a jingle back there.
You might use it.
Yo, what in this? Man, I blame Ricky.
Man, give me one all-star Converse keyring.
Yo, which part we are go?
Straight, man. Which part of the little bridge where we are go? The Iron Bridge.
Me not see no bridge. I know the man must show me bridge.
On them we can walk.
So one bridge there?
I have some here too, you can walk through your soccer.
My all of them areas are protected, dog.
Authorized access only.
Well, we're there. We are make our way to the pond right now. Hopefully, we reach and the swimmers in now sleep because you can see Evelyn.
Today how are you?
I don't know.
Friday? Thursday?
Thursday.
Yeah, them up, man. They're not asleep.
Today Thursday. Swimmers not sleep on Thursday. You know, nothing better for you. Tomorrow Friday.
Yeah, them are ready for party, so they're not sleeping.
Yeah, first me ever come over here.
Sunday, them they at church.
Sunday fish go church?
Yeah.
You think they must Sunday school?
Yeah. You never watch Mimo?
Mimo? He must say Mimo. Mimo. What name Mimo?
Nemo.
Nemo. Yes, so we're there, same way. The journey to the spot. A Chabas, there was a spot over here, Sophie.
The waterfall turn around there. You can do whole heap over here, so that me a shit. We can shoot the video over here, so you know. Just a walk and a sing.
And I sing.
That's what you did first.
Yo, eat a berry this one.
Eve and bird. That's what you did eat? No. We do Eve over sideways. Why you can't do whole heap of shit in there?
You're supposed to go over there and say no fishing.
It's a fishing, man. Yeah, tell her that. You know say no fishing. Remember when I walk thing over here, I walk over here.
Yo, Ricky look white in his sun.
Well, I'm going to make it dark. Once I drop off from him, I need a belt.
You want to look white, look while me look over there.
My brother than Ricky, you're bright. Man, you look at me white like
wait, alright, stand up there, so. Stand up there, so, watch out.
Yo, me look white, man.
Not even man can even walk me here.
It's only now here.
Yo, Biggie go on in the tree, you know?
Yo, what am I doing with my stocking cap?
Ricky can't find his stocking.
If you ever put on a stocking cap out there, running go. 2020, no stocking cap. Yo, you can do, we can do paintballing and stuff.
Like, you know, see a wildlife preserve.
No, I ain't,
see Panya.
I see a lot of these places, like camera systems over here.
So camera over here and we over here fish?
Yeah, and I cheat them. Crocodile over here, so you know, over here, so we go like, we crocodile them, they come.
Okay there, Mr. Crocodile? Huh?
Well, on, so you know, been tell me fishing over here and you tell me no sign over here say no fishing.
No, it's a crocodile. You never say no fishing, it's a crocodile. Do you hear a crocodile then? Yeah. Hey, yeah.
So man, me I wonder where you are going, you know?
I think I saw one bite me, you know?
Ricky, what you say? Crocodile?
No fishing.
For real? Oh, it's a bomba! Dog, go crocodile, they funny for real, dog. Mate, I swear to God, I think a joke you make. This a brother here, watch out.
It's home to wildlife.
Safety tips, beware of your surrounding and avoid water edge. Alligator, snake and other animal living deep.
You want that? Oh no. I think I want that right there. Right? I'm really afraid of crocodiles. We have fish up on the bridge. We're not fishing in the water.
Brother, all along me there, me swear to God, me there think this a brother is just a joke and not tell me be a thing.
Stop shot there. Look. We can jump right there.
Oh damn, so yeah, we can't even come watch a movies.
No, right, so we can watch a movie through right, so we can jump the fence there. See that? And reach over there.
Swap shop there right over there, sir.
Might all the night time, I tell you, we can walk come over here and see a movie then.
Yeah, we can watch movie and crocodile near me.
Yo, we just need something where we have a radio station.
Catch and release. Oh, you can fish.
Tell you no nothing. My son, you not believe me?
My, the crocodile part grab me for real now, you know. Yo, me can't believe the crocodile over there.
Catch one. You want
Alright, if you have to trail with the crocodile walk come up, you can see him belly drop on the ground. Right in through the bush there. You see it, me work for the wildlife preserve.
I know no crocodile, alligator too.
Oh, we're on the backside of
Yo, me literally want to know on the seaside. Then so we steer from the water edge, watch it. Yo, come look here, come look here, come look here. In gone. It probably catch on the camera a little while. I'm not sure. Yo, people, watch out.
Yay!
Alright, so
Me I watch back the video little while and see if you can catch Panny.
Who is gonna win this one?
me.
You?
Last time we watched a catch 24 or something like so. Yo, this look bad, you know. It's a bad picture for Instagram, you know. I take it when I don't feel. Yeah. I saw a crocodile like while, ladies and gentlemen. I watch back the vlog and see me see him. Yo, me I look if me see no more alligator jump up. Travis them do photo shoot.
Yeah, man, what photo shoot?
Yo, Ricky I take the picture. Yo, the money in the gloves and beer something. Me barefoot out there. Your body a hook up, Shabas a string up, Ricky a string up right there, so me don't string up already. So let me throw mine over the first and see what can go on. One me G.
What's that them me ship man go on? Why this not swing going over there? More film go far.
Me I take off me off a something.
The sinker?
Me I take it off a line. Me bring the full pole.
Which one?
The wrong pole me bring.
Bomb ball, I don't have no string. Oh.
Nothing no grab on for me yet.
I do it wrong, dog.
So ladies and gentlemen, the first one get catch. Travis lost him line. You know what I mean? That's one for me. He's smart but he's calawa. Yo, go put him in one tank. I raise him.
Hey, pet?
Here my body,
Nah, I
man.
catch none.
Well, go on.
I just make nice.
Man, I don't even get a bite.
Ricky, you out here feed them, that's why. Travis,
No, I tell you.
how go on? Travis, I make line himself. Yo. Alright, it's a one night bucket. We soon forward back.
Eh?
Ricky catch a shrimp, watch it. Hold on, let me show them. Damn, bro. How you catch that? How you manage to catch that?
Me use
Use him back in the water.
Go back to you.
So the alligator them when in the water scare the fish them.
No,
And that's why
they can't see. They don't have them headlights on.
who don't have the headlights on, the fish them. Ricky said fish them don't have the headlights on. Right now we soon pack up and go on our business. Cause right now we're frustrated. Oh, what that? Come on, Esther.
What?
Something come on, Esther. Like, to my crocodile and him something out there, so we don't want to stay here too late and have to run at night time, cause you know I still not trust out here. See him here. Chabas give up, Chabas just dash in line over this to sit down.
What you have on your eye?
No fish? No, that no sound right.
Nothing.
That no sound right. Let me say fish.
I have nothing. The soup man bite me something there.
Yeah, but probably a guinea little one there.
You see
Pick
it?
them and pick up that.
See it? Look.
Make it go on there.
So dry it.
No, man, keep going.
No, make it go on.
Yo, eat him, I eat have a thing off of that. I don't go for that.
Exactly. And probably I use him hand for
Yo, around 5 minutes, me no look for him. Me know nothing on the pan. Man catch a big catfish.
They just
Shiny light on him then. Ricky, I eat him.
hold on.
Then say catch and Ricky.
Am I one? Am I lining it? I'm catch you.
Full of shit.
No, I'm catch you. Look for Ricky line. Yo, am I lining in mouth? No, but look how far one in my mouth. My one this.
Why you wanna do that?
No, I see it. Am I one, Ricky? I'm me catch it.
Oh, Ricky catch him on your line.
No, I'm pull it out. Yeah, wrap up in a
See
one.
what's in there. What do you have in there? My well, take him off.
No, man.
Take him
You're gonna eat him?
What is this?
Catfish.
Why you shine a light? Bomba! Yo.
Put me more. What me that
I'm me
one?
catch him.
What me that one?
I'm me catch him. Me just put on my hook and left it. Pop it out.
Just cut it.
No more so in my mouth.
Shrimp?
What me now? Hold him up. Ricky, you afraid of him, dog? You afraid of him? The man in my debate, yo, the hook catch me. Mr. Ricky throw it in line.
But am I line?
And he pull in something. But it come like a Chabas line in the depon. Yo, shiny line on him. Shiny line on him,
Are you
Chabas.
sure it didn't open? It didn't open?
Catfishes.
I like it. Hold on, me open it.
Show him back.
Not throw him back yet, let me see him.
When I look in him out. Me I tell you now me catch that, so me win.
Oh, yo, you're not getting no points for that.
No, but when you're fishing off the whole line, you can put it on and left it.
No, dog, man, I tell him my hook was on there too.
No,
My
but
hook wasn't on there?
no, see your hook come off already. And my thing himself, dog. Me I tell you. That's all.
Yeah. The man don't know who catch the fish. Alright, let me tell you now how it go basically. Chabas throw it in line and sit down. Chabas done long time because Chabas ain't ready for go.
No, me put it there and left it. I try like this.
Yo, the man answer phone call, Ricky there, Ricky say one last try I'm gonna make. And dash it out.
Who you think?
Oh, me think
Even
catch
though
it.
you seen the line, what I think, let me tell you what I think.
No, alright. The thing is, it have to, alright. Regardless of what, are you catch him though? No, a year one, but regardless, are you catch
Let
him?
me tell you exactly what happened.
Can you remember that when they did do to me and my father last time, you know, and say my father pull him in and take away one of mine, you know.
You see when I put him out there? I was bringing it in and then
Yeah, because me one on the line catch me, one on the line.
Alright. Oh, Ricky. You didn't see which line they just pop out.
No, I
mine.
seen it. I understand
It's
that.
so like my
but when
line.
I was put there, how did I pull him in then?
Cause your own hook
There's
on
no
mine.
way.
Me I tell you dog. Remember famous when you pull it up and you see a line hook here, you know. Remember I two a line in my cross like this, you know.
Yeah,
mine
two line.
There's no way. Think about it. Remember when you pull it out and mine sink at the right this, you know. And it
Yeah,
comes
but
across.
for real, how you hook him? Where you hook?
What that me I say?
When Ricky I pull it up, cause I hold it a line
No,
with it.
I
I hold
said
it so me
team,
throw it
listen,
first
let
and
me
left
tell
it,
you
you know,
what
and the
happened.
float come back in.
Let me tell you how I know. You see when I was pulling it in, I seen your line there too. So it looks like your line.
Yo, but how am I that eat my bait then? I ain't so line I'm out and the sinker go come up.
So where for your bait
And
go?
that me I say, people
My
can line there
my
right
bait's
there,
gone.
No, I like the people can line.
My
Yo, you know why I would that kind of believe? Because you have a bigger bait, you not go for that.
No,
shrimp tail for mine.
And shrimp tail lady have one for you?
Yeah, straight shrimp tail me put for mine. I left it in there. Mike, I remember, you know, me throw out the whole light and there so sit down and watch it. And me I say, look how it. Remember me tell you, say, look how me something deep right there, so.
Listen.
Yeah, but a film line, boy, you catch it.
How did it come on this?
Got the line cross, Ricky. The line cross. That's the only thing me can say. Line them cross. Because I might come
that
out
one they
like
don't count.
No, it can't. That me catch it.
It can't be you.
So
You don't do nothing.
So I set it.
Ricky, the fish is yours.
I think you
Go back for him. The fish is. Yo, Vlog World, go with the bait. Who for fish it is?
Remember, me left mine there if it's set, you know.
Don't they say catfish in there? Yo, the man they don't know who catch it or who for hook. The man then just grab one hook grabbing on my finger door. That me sure of. Yo, me Jay, where you say a few fish?
Me fish, man.
Yo, the vlogger go vote.
So, man, they fine.
If vlogger go vote.
Explain to them.
No, me explain it to them like a while. Chabas throw in line and set it. Then Ricky throw a film line. Mr. Ricky pull in a fish. But when the fish come out, it depends. Chabas one.
What's my phone?
I don't know.
Oh, see, that would do that.
Mine in there, so I look for mine too, you know. Yeah, night now. No, not ready yet. No, still want to catch more now? One more?
How much six times?
Hey, what you hooking on?
Yeah, out there dark now. So I probably turn up the brightness when I edit this. But it probably look away.
You get your speaker? Yeah, my pants.
We are walk now and crocodile. Yo, somebody now shine him light.
That's the thing. Now we don't know if crocodile
is dead.
Yo, out here full of crocodile. And then tell we. And look how we are walk. No light. Please, if then near we can run.
My youth for running at zigzags, you know about that?
What do you mean?
If crocodile forward, they're supposed to run in zigzags so they can't turn. They can turn, but they can't turn too fast.
Remember, you have to look out for crocodile now.
Me walk back on, man. When me soon run.
Oh, and then love creep up on people, so go and stay back like hog seed. So right now, we make it out of the wilderness. We are about to reach back the crib. Ricky there, so Chaba say, way back around there. So I tell him, say, always the way around, so you know.
What do you want? Chest bigger than the whole on the chest.
Boy, hear him, boy. Watch out. What show it is? What you say?
I never know flex.
Film
Not cool,
chest,
man.
look
You
at it,
can't see. Ricky, look for me, I look for you.
Look my chest dog, you serious?
Oh, the bomber, Ricky has said to me. My make me take off my shirt out here.
Yo, open chest bigger.
A long time, you don't see me, you know.
What chest bigger?
Mine. Ricky have chicken chest.
Man say Ricky have chicken chest, so we are going to go back in the gym now because the man
When
never
you want to
compete.
start? Tomorrow?
About chest.
Maybe not work out already still.
Anything, you know,
Ketchup.
ready. You know what I mean?
Me feel
Pepper.
that sick now.
We make it home with there and we have Alfred in the building. You know what I mean? Well, I'm zooming. The battery are blink, but we don't have a next battery.
Yeah,
Alfred in the building. Where work you afford from?
yeah, man.
Man, live or work.
Right there, up the street.
So, hold on, you know, take vacation.
When we go Atlanta.
Oh, where do you go, Atlanta?
Yeah.
A vacation that? Yeah. Alfred, I live life fever. And go Atlanta for a week because she's over here, so. Let me zoom out. Zoom. Alright, so right now we just going to end the vlog right there, so. You know what I mean? Me there, Chabas there, Alfred there. And we just go. All our vibes. And yeah, so basically we just edit everything we want to see we do today, the swim around challenge and be some Ricky. We're not going to decide who win because I want to see it. So we're not going to give it to Chabas, I want to give it to Ricky, whoever I want to think deserve the swimmers. But yeah, until then, see you in the next one. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and all them good stuff. Them mad move.
Hold on then, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, My G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it ends up in